Hello guys, welcome back to Trendy Styles with Gifted. In this video, I combined the very most beautiful two strands natural twist hairstyles that you can consider, guys. Are you considering making twist braid with your natural hair soon? Then this video is the right stuff you need. Okay, let's go ahead and view all these hairstyles and make your choice. Definitely you will love them because I especially selected and compiled the best twist braid for you all. Remember, while doing this channel, I make videos on trendy hairstyles, trendy fashion, everything fashion, hairstyles for kids, for adults, for everybody. Join the family by hitting the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you get notified. So guys, let's view these hairstyles together.